have my brand new camera that I got for my birthday. It's a ZV-E10 II camera. It's a creator camera. I have a 16mm Sigma lens, which I've had since my Sony A5100, but that camera broke. So I've been shooting videos on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can't even talk. Which, don't get me wrong, great quality. It was just kind of a tedious setup, having to mount it on the tripod and then turn on cinematic mode. I can't really frame myself or see how I'm framing myself. It's a lot of up and down and up and down, you know. Turn on the recording, turn it off, or do it from my watch. And then I have to let the video render if I wanted to get that bokeh effect. I was using cinematic mode, so I have to let it render, usually about 12 to 24 hours, then upload it to my PC. Then I had to convert it just to get into DaVinci Resolve. It was a pain. I spent almost as much time trying to upload it as I do when I edit the video. So I needed a more streamlined solution. So this I can plug directly into a capture card or directly via USB-C into my PC and capture it all in OBS. So the video is right there. I can still use my CM28 microphone from Newer to plug into my PC and capture the audio that way, which is what I'm doing right now. Or I can plug it into the camera if I want to. I can take the camera with me, and then I can use my iPhone 15 Pro Max for all my B-roll shots, which I need to get better at, and probably going to be something I'm focusing on moving into future videos instead of just using stock footage. But the idea is that I improve a little bit each time. Since there is so much to learn, it can be overwhelming.